Here we'll see a demo of 3D reconstruction using the ROS package called RTabMap. This is the live point cloud of a 3D room being reconstructed real time. Here the depth and RGB data of each new frame is being registered or overlapped onto the point cloud. For this, a feature matching algorithm is used in the backend. Some of the feature matching algorithms include SIFT, SURF or ORB.
Feature matching is an important step of 3D reconstruction because we have to ensure that the same entity is not mapped twice in the final output. For this, we have used the SIFT algorithm that compares the key points in the two frames. The yellow points denote the key points in the frame and blue lines denote the key point matching. If there's a key point match, then the frame is not attached or stitched to the final output, else it is stitched to the final output.
That was the reconstruction of static environment. Now we'll see how the 3D mapping occurs in dynamic environment and how a dynamic object like person distorts the point cloud. As we can see, the point cloud is being distorted by the dynamic object. If a person is present in the frame, the depth data of that person is also saved on the point cloud. Now we will see the demo with the object detection model. This model eliminates the frames in which a person is detected. So here we can see how the frame stops when a person is detected. During the entire time when the person is in the frame, the reconstruction is paused. As soon as the person is out of the frame, the reconstruction begins again. This is how we eliminate the dynamic objects from being reconstructed. As we can see, there are no traces of the person in the point cloud.